Hi, welcome to Speech 1600. My name is Lionel Fernandez and this is my audience. Since I was a kid, I have always loved animals. In my house, we have always had different kinds of animals. Few days ago, I was watching the news and I was amazed that dolphins and whales are being hunted and slaughtered every day in Japan. In Japan, different kinds of dolphin species are hunted every day. Also, other species such as the false killer whale and orcas are also caught. The striped dolphin is now considered endangered in that area, but they still hunt them in smaller numbers. The Japanese government allows around 3,000 dolphins to be captured annually, but these numbers don't include other small species and dolphins killed using other methods such as offshore hunts. In offshore hunts, they kill around 20,000 yearly. Some of the dolphins are taken for meat, while others are killed as accidental catch in the process of capturing live dolphins for displays in marine parks and aquariums. In Taiji, the fisherman says the dolphin tastes like beef. The meat is sold in restaurants and supermarkets. I don't understand why people eat dolphin meat when it contains dangerous high levels of mercury. For every gram of meat, there is 6.6 micrograms of methyl mercury. The level is 22 times greater than the government's permitted concentration of 0.3 micrograms per gram of meat. Japanese say that outsiders have no right to tell them to stop eating dolphin meat when others eat chicken, beef, and other kinds of fish. They see dolphins as a regular fish, like the ones we consume. They have been practicing this tradition for more than 100 years. This issue about the massacre of dolphins in Japan is affecting many marine biologists and aquarium administrators from around the world. Many marine biologists, surfers, and even star celebrities have joined together to set up pressure on Japan and end the massacre against dolphins, in which almost around 20,000 of these mammals are killed yearly. Organizers are also trying to obtain 1 million signatures of those who oppose to the dolphin drive to submit it to the Japanese government. Recently, a group of volunteers rode their surfboards to the bloody waters, attempting to prevent the few dolphins being driven into a cove and slaughtered. Dolphins and whales are probably one of the smartest and friendliest mammals on this planet. If you are in the ocean and you see a dolphin, you can jump in the water and they will not harm you. Also, dolphins are always in groups. If you are in the ocean and there are dolphins around you, it is safe to swim and you can be sure that there are no sharks around. Humans and dolphins are very much alike, and we should protect them. The latest scientific research supports that mammals, dolphins, and apes evolved from the same ancestors. Studies and research of the skeletal structure of dolphins shows evidence of toes and declaws that evolve into powerful flippers and tails. This indicates that dolphins and whales once lived on land. Two common traits that humans and dolphins share is that we have an expanded neocortex and a large brain. There is also a fatty layer beneath the skin of all humans. This layer is also found in dolphins and all ocean living animals, not in apes. Dolphins also have tear glands, like humans, and this helps them to adapt to the marine environment. Dolphin intelligence go well beyond our ability to measure it. They use it in a different way that we do. The human brain is very different from the mammals. The brain of the bottlenose is the only one that can be compared to ours. Biochemically, dolphins are still land mammals living in a marine environment. Dolphins are mammals as we are. We should help to save and protect these friendly and playful animals. I hope this conflict can be resolved and that many of us join the cause against animal cruelty. Here, I'm going to show the number of dolphins killed by species in drive hunts. There are killed around 554 striped dolphins, 475 bottlenose dolphins, and 437 rhesus dolphins, and 63,000 short-finned pilot whales. Dolphin meat, Japanese say it tastes like beef. The meat is sold in restaurants and is vacuum packed bags in supermarkets. It contains high levels of mercury, and it has been a tradition to eat dolphin for centuries. Here I have some pictures of the massacre in Japan. How do they hunt these pure mammals? Efforts against massacre. Many marine biologists and aquarium administrators have created some campaigns to try to stop the dolphin massacre. Here are some examples. The Sea Shepherd Conservation Society, the Oceana Protecting the World Against Oceans, and the International Marine Mammal Project. The one in Japan is called Save Japan Dolphins Campaign. Thanks for your attention.